Hello, this video is to give a demonstration of how to do a little bit more of a complex proof request. And this one is specific for the use cases where, as a verifier, you may want to reuse the same proof requests for multiple holders. And so the example we're going to give here is the one of verifying a boarding pass at a gate before boarding a flight. The type of proof request that happens with every individual looking to board a flight is going to be the same. So we want to create a workflow around this. You can see I've been testing this one out here, my boarding pass verification. I'm going to go and create a new workflow around this. Boarding pass verification, and I'll do the fourth template for this just to show you how the creation happens. So I want this to be a recurring task because I'm going to verify these boarding passes in the same manner over a period of time, and it's going to be done in person. I'll go next, and I want to actually see information about the credential. I want to see a specific credential, not necessarily a privacy preserving way of doing it. So I'll select specific credential, I'll go next, and I want it to be done via scanning QR code, meaning when the holder or the person looking to board the flight comes to the boarding counter, they will scan the QR code and they'll present their boarding pass to me, the verifier in this use case. So I'll save this template or this workflow so I could see the boarding pass verification 4, and now I actually want to go deploy it. So I'll come inside of creating a new task, and I will select the workflow that I want to base this task off of. And so since this is a recurring task, I'll select the date. So let's just say as of the 19th of September for the next 7 days, I want to use this verification. I'll click next, and the credential that I want to verify is the boarding pass credential. I perhaps want to view the 4 different attributes inside of this credential. I'll go next. And unfortunately, I have a bug that popped up here. But what happens here is this is meant to generate a QR code for this specific type of verification that's going to be valid for the next 7 days as of tomorrow. So you can imagine that at a counter at the airport, this QR code would pop up on a screen, on an iPad, or it can even be printed on a piece of paper, and this would be able to be reused over and over again over this period of time for this specific verification to happen. So I hope this was helpful, and you'll be able to use this inside of your use case.